the TVS One Make Championship Novice category. The race has just started. This is the novice category where all the riders are below the age group of 23, and most of them are riding for the first time. They have been selected from all across the country and have gone through the TVS racing school training, and then here they're racing. The 12 riders on the grid are Avinash Bora. On P2 is Navneet Kumar, and on third place is Ashwin Sundar, followed by Jagdish Vijay, Uday Prakash, Mohammad Yusuf, Teja, Jayant, Gokul, Jibin, Kiran, and Rasul. The riders are on their lap 1. This is the 6th lap race. The riders are on the rear side of the track of the first lap. Viewers need to bear with me for the audio silence. Not able to get information. The riders are now on the screen, and it looks like it's bike number 4 leading. That's Alvin Sundar leading the race, and there are 3 people fighting for the second and the third position. We'll update us once it's up on the screen. And there's a rider going wide at the S corner. There are 2 people fighting for the third position there, second and the third position. The race leader with a comfortable lead of 10 to 12 bike lengths. The race leader now coming onto the home straight, and that's bike number 4, Alvin Sundar, followed by Teja TVR, and on the third place is Navneet Kumar, and on fourth place is Uday Prakash. The riders are now at turn 3. The leader is now going from turn 3. That's a comfortable lead for Alvin Sundar. Oh, there is a rider who's crashed. Not sure of the rider number. The rider is fine. Looks okay. The rider seems okay. He's getting up there. These are Apache RTR 200 bikes. All bikes are of same spec, and this is called the TVS One Make Championship 2020 for the novice category, race 1. The race leader is Alvin Sundar, followed by Teja TVR, and on third place is Navneet Kumar. The rider seems okay there. The riders at the fast right-hander. This is a 6th lap race. This is the second lap in progress. The leader is now. There's an yellow flag at the S bend. Not sure for why, because there was a rider who had crashed there. The leader now on the bridge complex coming down, and there is a close fight for second, third, and fourth position. The race leader Alvin Sundar there taking the last corner. Coming in, that's Alvin Sundar on bike number 4, followed by Teja TVR and Navneet Kumar. There's a close fight between Teja TVR and Navneet Kumar, and Mohammad Yusuf joins the bunch. So there's a close fight for the second, third place, and Alvin Sundar on a comfortable lead. He's having a 3.5 second lead on the latter bunch. and it's a close fight between Teja TVR, Navneet Kumar and Mohammad Yusuf for the second and third position. This is the battle going on for TVS 1 make RTR 200 novice category, and that's a move done by bike number 8. Teja TVR moves on to second place. It was Sudhir on P2, and now it's Teja TVR who has moved to second place. Still a close fight there between Sudhir and Teja. That's Sudhir and Teja on your screen, with Teja leading the pack, and on the bunch following behind is Navneet Kumar. The leader Alvin Sundar comfortable on his lead and actually extending his lead there. Alvin Sundar on the fast left-hander. There is a close fight for the third place. Looks like the fight is between Teja and Navneet. We'll get to know when the camera goes closer. Since they are all a one-make race and look similar, it's very difficult for us to find it out through the screen. As the leader follows the last corner for the end of third lap. That's Alvin Sundar on the lead, followed by... That's a close battle for the second, third and fourth place. On second place is Teja T, and on third is Navneet Kumar. So the finishing order at the end of lap 3 is Alvin Sundar leading the race comfortably, followed by Teja, and on third position is Navneet Kumar, and on fourth position it's the new rider Gokul R on the fourth position. The fastest lap is recorded by Alvin Sundar at 2 minutes 11 seconds, 0.583. Do we find a change there in the leader? Yes, while I was reading out the finishing order, there has been a change in the leader. Alvin is moved to second place. He had a comfortable lead of 2.5 seconds. Not sure where he missed it out. He is now on second place. Not able to find who's on first place, and there are 4 people fighting for the top position there. Alvin Sundar now moving to first place, but the other 3 riders are very close to him. So on the screen is Alvin Sundar, Teja, Sudhir Sudha and Navneet Kumar, all 4 fighting for the first top 3 positions there. The riders are now moving to the fast right-hander and coming towards the fast left-hander. That's the end of sector 2. There's another rider who was dropped out. Right now the riders moving towards the S-bend, and there are 4 riders. Alvin currently on third position. There are 4 riders fighting for the top position. Alvin had a comfortable lead of 2.5 seconds the previous lap, and now he is trailing at the 4th place. On first place is, looks like bike number 4. Bike number 9, Sudhir Sudha is leading, followed by Teja. Let's see if the finishing order as it updates. So Navneet Kumar leading the race, followed by Teja, and Alvin Sundar on third place, and Sudhir Sudha on 4th place is Jayant. Alvin Sundar has lost his lead and has moved to third position, and it's the new leader is Navneet Kumar. Navneet Kumar is the new leader. The riders on the penultimate lap. Arvind Sundar trailing on 4th place now, but still not far enough from the bunch. He is still with the bunch, and the race is led by bike number 9, Sudhir Sudha, followed by Navneet Kumar, and Alvin is now moved to third place. pushing Teja to 4th place. Alvin tries to do another move on Navneet Kumar, but fails. He is still on the 3rd place. Alvin still on 3rd place. And the race is led by bike number 9, Sudhir Sudha, followed by... There is a close battle between Alvin Sundar, Navneet Kumar and Teja TVR for the 2nd and the 3rd place. Sudha there having close to a 2nd lead. That's bike number 9 on the lead, ridden by Sudhir Sudha, and followed by closely fought battle between Alvin Sundar, Teja and Navneet. On the 2nd place, looks like it's Alvin Sundar on 4th. The leader coming on to finish. Sorry for the interruption. The leader now taking the start line to start his last lap of the race. On second position is Teja, and on 3rd position is Sudha, and on 4th position is Alvin Sundar. So Navneet leading the race now. Current leader Navneet. So this race has been exciting. Every lap we've seen a new leader. Alvin making a move now. Alvin on 3rd position. Alvin is on 3rd position. On the lead is Navneet Kumar on bike number 2. Navneet Kumar there on the lead, and for the 2nd and the 3rd position, fight between Alvin. The fight for 2nd and 3rd position between bike number 4, 8. That's Alvin Sundar, Teja and Sudhir Sudha. Currently it's Teja on 2nd and Alvin on 3rd. Sudhir Sudha has moved to 4th place, but it's anyone's battle. It's a very close battle there. Alvin and Teja fighting there. That's bike number 8 and 4 for the 2nd and 3rd place on your screen. And joining the party there is bike number 9, Sudhir Sudha. Alvin Sundar there at 3rd position currently, but still fighting for his... There's a fight for the top position as well. This is the last lap, currently led by Navneet Kumar, followed by Teja, Alvin Sundar, the riders are now at the S-bend trying to enter over the bridge, and that's a brilliant move by Alvin Sundar, and he slips there. Alvin Sundar had made a brilliant move, but he slips now. He's moved on to 4th position. There's a fight for the 2nd place there between bike number 8 and 9, and the race winner is Navneet Kumar, and followed by a very close battle there between... It's a photo finish. We need to wait for the screen to update. So as per the screen, it's Teja on 2nd and Alvin on 3rd. The time screen here shows Alvin on 3rd and Teja on 2nd, and on 3rd is Mohammad Yusuf. Right, the race winners is Navneet Kumar, followed by Teja, and on 3rd position is Alvin Sundar. Alvin Sundar clocked the fastest lap of the race at 2 minutes 3 seconds. That's the camaraderie of the riders on the track. It's all part of the game. So the race finishing order is on P1. Finishing the race is Navneet Kumar, followed by Teja, and on 3rd place is Alvin Sundar, and on 4th place Mohammad Yusuf. On 5th place is Gokul R, and on the 6th place Udyay Prakash, and on 7th place is Jagdish Vijay. On 8th place Jibil. On 8th place is Jagdish Vijay, and on 9th place is Jibil, and on the 10th place is Rasul. That was TVS One Make Championship 2020 Novice Category Race 1. The next race and the final race of the day would be the MRF, MMSC, FMSC Indian National Racing National Motorcycle Racing Championship Pro Stock 165cc. Pro Stock up to 165cc would be the next race. Grid, the grid commentator. Okay, we are back. So those are the winning riders at the Park Farm. Those are the winning riders at the Park Farm for the victory interview. And I would like to move the track mic to the grid commentator there. Over to you, sir.
Hello, check.
Yeah, actually the bike was really fun to ride. There was no high slide and all. It was like a baby in track, and I was literally enjoying the race. So yeah, and I found no hards in this bike. The bike is so good. Even the track is in the right temperature to ride. So there isn't much competition either. So it was a fun race. Yep.
Yeah. The race was really good. Like I got a really clean start. I was leading the race for one lap and suddenly I did some mistakes. We'll come back stronger in next lap, in next race. I'll come back stronger. Thank you.
Huh? Oh, it was nice. It was my first experience in the TVS novice category, and I enjoyed it. I just wanted to do my best. That's it. Thank you.